Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lulu Bella Amanati and my ID card is 33220023, and today I will explain about imagery, rhythm, and method. So first of all, I will discuss about imagery. What is imagery? Imagery is language used by poets, novelists, and other writers to create images in the mind of the readers. Imagery includes figurative and metaphorical language to improve the reader's experience through their sense. How many imagery in a poetry or novels? There are 7 imagery on the novels. First, visual imagery. Second, kinesthetic imagery. Third, auditory imagery. Fourth, organic imagery. Fifth, tactile imagery. Sixth, gustatory imagery. And last, olfactory imagery. And what is visual imagery? It's the most common type of using qualities such as shape, color, light, shadow, or patterns to create an image in the reader's mind. Some example of the poetry about visual imagery is, I wandered lonely as a crowd that flows on high over vales and hills. Kinesthetic imagery. Kinesthetic imagery is the imagery produced from an experience that form of movement, example object for or animals move. He jumped into the air, feeling like he was flying. And poems of the kinesthetic imagery is fall down on their knees. Then they swarm around me. Auditory imagery. Auditory imagery describe what we hear, from music to notes to pure silent, example song. Organic imagery. Organic imagery is the imagery that emerged from our minds. Organic imagery can be seen in the disclosure of feelings such as hunger, thirst, fatigue, darkness, starving. There has a example of poem of organic imagery. It's the fire in my eyes and the frost of my teeth. Textile imagery. Textile imagery describe what we feel or touch. Example, feeling of movement. This is car seat is made of salt later. Gustatory imagery. Gustatory imagery is imagery that portrays the experience of our sense of taste, a taste of thing. Example, spicy and sweet. Olfactory imagery. Olfactory imagery is the imagery associated with our sense of smell, a smell of things. Things that can be described based on the experience of smell from your nose is an example of olfactory imagery. Example is the smell of pregnant bread can trigger the brain to imagine bread. Then I will explain about rhythm. Rhythm is an interesting element of poetry that only comes when a poem was read. Rhythm refers to the overall tempo or pace at which the poem unfolds. Rhythm. What is a syllable? What is a stressed syllable? What is an unstressed syllable? What is syllable? Any one of the part into which a word is naturally divided when it's pronounced by Merriam-Webster Dictionary. What is stressed syllable? The part of the word that is emphasized. What is untraced syllable? The part of the word that is unpaced. The aspect of music comprises of the elements such as accent, meter, and tempo that relate to forward movement. From Merriam-Webster Dictionary offers several definitions for rhythm. An ordered reassuring alternation of strong and weak elements weak element in the flow of sound and silence in speech. Movement, formation, or variation marked by the regular reassuring or natural flow of related elements. Some example of the rhythm is when Ajax strives some rock first like to throw the line to lovers, and the words move slow. Alexander Pope and Easy on criticism. Then mark the syllabus as being stressed or unstressed. Marks unstressed syllabus with O and stressed syllabus with O. Meter. Sign of tone in the rhythm called the meter. Meter can be shaped monometer, dimeter, trimeter, tetrameter, and pentameter. The meters with two shaped feet are ambient. Some example is the time of year, thou mayest in me behold. 3x. Tell me not in mournful numbers. Some band-aids, brick, 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 on the cold gray stone, see. Matter with three treble feet are unpasted, and the sound of a voice that is still. Dialexy. This is the forest primeval, the murmuring pinus and the hemlock. A torch replaces the final dosary. Each line of a poem contains a certain number of ambient stresses, spondes, disical or anapestic. A line of 1 foot is a millimeter. Second, feet is a demimeter, and so on, trimeter, tetrameter, pentameter, hexameter, heptameter, and octameter. A line of poetry can be broken into feet, which are individual units within a line of poetry. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm sorry for everything and for my English. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.